Hi, my name is Robin, and I am here in Dr. Burke's office because I had a tooth extracted a couple of years ago, and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do about replacing it or not. And so I did some research, and she is using a implant and a crown that's made out of a material that is very biocompatible with your body, so it's not metal, and it's not very popularly used here in the United States. I don't know why, but I'm very grateful that I was able to find her. And so I have been through the process of having the implant, and we're now ready to get the crown put on, and I'm very excited to have that because I will have now a tooth in that spot that I haven't had for a long time. The implant surgery process was really quite wonderful and very different from being in the dental chair in other offices. Everyone is very kind, considerate, friendly. I was offered a neck pillow to make me more comfortable while I was going to be in the chair having the surgery. And it was a better experience of surgery than I could have ever imagined and asked for. And the process over the last 3 months of recovery and wearing an appliance in my mouth called an Essex has really been kind of unremarkable. The Essex is just a clear plastic appliance, very much like the Invisalign that people are using to straighten their teeth. And once we fine-tuned, adjusted it, because I had 2 spots that were bothering me, and Dr. Burke was very accommodating in identifying those spots and adjusting the Essex for me. It was not a problem to wear at all. And now I'm going to kind of miss it because I kind of got used to it. So I'm looking forward very much to having my new crown put on and having a tooth in that spot where I haven't had one for a couple of years. And if you're needing to have an implant, I would suggest that you definitely, at least if nothing else, come and have a consultation with Dr. Burke and let her take a look at what's going on and talk to you about the options and the possibilities and the implant. I think you'll be very impressed.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.